Back in June, we had the first round of MotorChef, which Gautier Paulin won with his classic French starter. We're here in Bastogne in Belgium for the second round at Wagon Léo for crunch time. Gautier, you were our MotorChef winner of Maggiora. What are you going to be cooking for us today?
Today I'm going to cook macaron, caramel, salt and butter. So actually difficult to explain all the ingredients in English because already in France, you know, it's really a long list.
Tony, last time it was a bruschetta you made for us. What have you got for our main course? What are you cooking for us today?
Today it's a main course, so I'm from Italy, so I always bring Italian plates to the game, and this time we're going to cook some pasta.
Evgeny, I can see you've borrowed your mechanic's apron for today, but what's on the plate today?
Simple plate, you know, but that's what usually we do in Russia, so because that's what I want to bring from Russia, what the tradition that people see what we eat, and this is what we eat for the second course.
Okay, everybody ready? You have 30 minutes, starting from now. Gautier, you're cooking one of my favourite desserts. Is this something you cook at home?
I mean, Clémentine, my girlfriend, her grandma, she learned it from her grandma, and then she showed me how to do it, so then I try.
Tony, there looks as though there's a lot more cooking going on this week. How's it all? Is it all going to plan?
Yeah, it's a little bit more work than last week, because last week was just a bruschetta, and I don't know, it's going good.
Bobby, how's it all going?
Perfect. I think I'm almost close to the finish line.
So you're on track to finishing on time?
Yeah, just making a bit like sauce for the plate.
Three, two, one, stop cooking.
The fish, good quality.
Good flavor, salt, pepper.
Yep.
The potatoes look like professional
Professional potato.
Yeah. The meat is very well seasoned, but maybe a little bit dried.
Good presentation, good quality.
And the taste is very good.
Yes.
Not too much coffee. Well, we have to decide now.
Yeah.
So, gentlemen, we have a winner. Let's bring the riders back in. So, the winner of the 2013 MotorChef final round here in Bastogne is Antonio Cairoli. Come and collect your prizes from the judges.